Hey my friend, this is a video for all Blooket's player, and this video I want to show you how to get 3000 tokens in your Blooket accounts for free. Just follow this video step by step. You need your username, your Blooket username. As you can see, my Blooket username, it's Royal King. I have 10 tokens. You need your username to participate on this event. Open a new tab, and here you searching www. Go Token Pro. Just copy this website in your browser. I press enter, and as you see, it's loading. Token events offer 3000 token. Blooket username. Here you need enter your Blooket username, Royal King. As you can see, I press generate. I wait to loading. It's connecting. It's loading this. Now I want to present you these websites. As you can see, this is people comments, very much positive comments, reviews. You can add the comments on this button. Here is people vote. You can vote yes or no. This is rules. You can reading this. How does this event work? For completing one of our partner survey, you granted one time 3000 coins. Good. This is alt rules. This is reset activity. So that it work on any device, Android, iOS, computer. As you can see, this person uses desktop, this person uses Android, and this person uses Android desktop. Now I use my computer, but you can use your phone, for example. This is website status, online, total user, etc. It's almost done. It's 99. It's success, as you can see. Royal King is connected. Resource ready. Transfer to user. Now I wait to transfer my tokens. We don't like a robot. Please verify that you're a human. Click the verify button below and follow the instruction. Waiting for verification. But don't scare it, just verify now. Human verification request, verify survey. Complete a request below and Blooket token will be automatically sent in your accounts. I complete first survey. As you can see, you need to follow this instruction. This is in my language. I click here. Now I need to send a CMC on this number with this text play now in my language. This is my language. Now I put the video pause because I can send a CMC and record at the same time, but I'll be back, guys. As you can see, it's checking for completion. Good, guys, I send a CMC. As you can see, I send a CMC on this number now. I finished this survey. I want to check. I enter on Blooket here in human verification page, and as you can see, it's finished. Now you can close all tabs. As you can see, I close all tabs, and in my Blooket page, I received a notification. Congratulations, you won 3000 tokens. I press this button, climb, and now in my Blooket page, I have 3000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username, Royal King. It's very easy, guys. Now I buy a package. As you can see, yes, as you can see, this it's working. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like this video and share this video with your friend. I'll be see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.